Most people treat their credit score like a video game high score. They think the higher it goes, the richer they are, but common sense says otherwise. A credit score isn't a measure of your wealth, it's a measure of how well you handle debt. Meet Impulse Ivan. Ivan is stressed. He wants to rent a better apartment, but his financial reputation is a mess because of his past spending. He thinks he needs to spend more money on credit cards just to fix his score. He's trapped in a loop, borrowing money he doesn't need just to prove he can pay it back. Common Sense Cal steps in to stop the cycle. Whether you call it a credit score, a credit report, or a risk rating, the banks are usually looking at three simple pillars. First, consistency. Do you pay your bills on time every single time? Second, capacity. Are you using all of your available credit, or are you keeping your balances low? And third, history. How long have you been known by the financial system? Cal's advice is simple. You do not need to pay a penny in interest to have great credit. Step 1. Automate everything. Pay every bill on time so you never have to think about it. Step 2. Keep your balances low. Never use more than 30% of your limit. And Step 3. Stop opening new accounts for rewards you don't actually need. Good credit is built by being boring, not by being busy. Ivan stopped obsessing over the number and started focusing on his habits. By paying his phone bill and one small utility on time, his reputation started to heal. Now, instead of Ivan chasing the banks are the ones chasing him. Don't let a number define your worth. Use common sense, build your reputation, and stay free. Subscribe to Common Sense to keep building your future.